Hey guys, this is Abno here, and let's see how you can install Nothing Launcher on your phone. First of all, click on the Play Store link given below of the Nothing Launcher and install it from there if your device is compatible. If not so, download the XAPK file from the link below that like button. And now I will show you how to install this XAPK file. To do that, install this app called APK Mirror Installer from the Play Store. Link is given below. Open the app. Click on Browse Files. Then choose Nothing Launcher XAPK file. Install package. Then install app. And give it the permissions like unknown sources. After the app is installed, go to settings and search for default launcher. Then put Nothing Launcher as your default launcher. You can enjoy Nothing OS icon pack, clock and weather widgets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.